Right then, my people, your people, blessed love, give thanks. Daniel Marshall, there upon the infrastructure world. I think this is the best place and the best area to start off my vlog. And in this Monday, alright, September 6th. Yeah, alright, you know, I know I shared some views on a lot of things, my people. And I don't want anybody really take it too personal. Just my views on some things. Yeah, me people, like me that's we just there, so I go and continue on the work we left off from yesterday. Just a continual thing until we get the thing up. See, as the item can turn around the camera a little bit so the item can see the environment. See, yeah. Yes, so like me see my people, just a continue on the work until, you know. We're going to finish one day. We're going done finish one day. We're going to done finish one day. Believe me. You understand me? It's just a heart full of overwhelming of love and gratitude. See, so all the item been doing out there, the item been full join the videos them, the item been enjoying the videos them to the max. Yeah man, me give thanks. Me try my best to make you know so that's them excited and know that sometimes I touch some little tingling feelings for some people, but I just sort of think of me like truth and me love truth and me love for the real fact and the real issue that is facing us. And I like say me hate anybody or me I fight against anybody, and even though because that's just if you even love thy enemy. So I just straight out I love will carry through and go through. Yeah man, me not tell the item a lie, I just saw the things there. Seeing we have to deal we as a race of people now, black people from a real base, we have it. We just have it. You know what I'm saying? We just have to wake up to black consciousness. And that no means that we're supposed to have fight with any nation or anybody. Forget that happiness there and that joy there. You see me I say? Blessed Lord. Because every man have a right for choosing destiny. I choose mine. Anyway, my people, I say the best places to start on my vlog, so I start there. So, still, yeah, I'm going to knock up the window, yeah? Like I say, I don't know the rainy month. And thing and like I say, we protect the panel box there, breaker box. And continuing on the work. So, give the item an overview. Or we're going to take an overview and run back through some of the work then while we get done on the side of what it's on the outskirt, you know. Yeah, I think we're basically finished with that side now. So, Brother Tony is supposed to come here this morning. I talked to him last night, and we did that. We did at least. We did say, yeah, man, come out, come and work tomorrow. But you don't know how the thing said, and a lockdown time. So if him not come, I just so. If him not show up, I just so. See, and tomorrow I lockdown again. So if him not show up, I just so. But Wednesday we have an appointment. We check out that job Wednesday. So we're gonna check out this job Wednesday over there in Portmore. See, so I'm gonna know. I'm gonna go get overview on the work we did around there, and because I mean after like me just the video, me have to do some change and some modification and some correction. Alright, so me have my tool so basically, yeah. I have the window, so yeah. See, so we're gonna set up one of these luvor window, and we're going to take the item through the steps. Alright, or we set it up. But before we do so, I'm gonna just flip around the camera again, and then go up on the outskirt there. Alright, so we get this done. Alright, and you can see that. We get this piece done. Remember, this piece was undone, right? So we get this piece done. Alright, we get down here to finish up. And we did some work back here, so alright, we get this. And this here, so window ledge. I'm gonna bring this piece out a little bit, this side of the column here out a little bit, kind of make it even up. I'm gonna take off the markings that was there, like these. These I'm gonna move these too. I think it's best without these markings. Alright, so yeah, my people, I know I have to go clean up and thing and straighten up and thing, but you see, as soon as me clean up the item, see how it just go right back to the thing again, see? So it don't make sense me try to clean up too much because at the same, at the working area, same way, and the storing area, same way, see? Until we get the thing up so we can put the things in the right place so we know, see, alright now, them things are stable there, so they're not gonna move for a while, see? Yeah. Alright, so boom shot. Alright, I could jump on this and get this window up. Alright. Yeah, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna put some of the rendering paint on it first before I put it in. Just render around it. Alright, so I have to go rub it down. No, the item knows, so I have to go rub it down and render around it. Alright. This one, I think me gonna take this one out and then kind of finish up on it, fix up the edges properly, and then go ahead and Mr. Tony kind of render them out. Or even me can render them out properly myself, but you know, me like when Mr. Tony do film work. Me like when the Mason do film work. Me like when me have to go and do film work. You see me? Alright, bless up. So we ready, alright? We're gonna setting up that window there. Alright, so first, let me measure it out first and foremost. And yes, my people, you can cut them. Alright, I know some of you might have wondering, saying that it cannot be cut because of these, what do you call them, the ratchet. Yeah, but I'm more like call it the ratchet. But if you check them out, each individual wing, let's say wing then, yeah, let me say wing then, we'll call them a wing. These are what the blades them go on. Or you could also the hub for the blades them. But as you can see them individual, them set individual from the individual track. Alright, from the same track, but they all set individual then. Alright, so if me cut this here so, or here so, it not gonna do nothing to damage this. See, it's just I'm gonna have these two pieces free from the inside. Them won't be as short as this. Cause I'm cutting about here. We're just cutting off one about here, so I'm cutting. Just one I'm cutting on. Them children now, we're coming up slow. Them say, you reach far on the home project. Neil Marshall, on the infrastructure, work, know what life is worth.
Alright, so we get to
Marshall,
on the infrastructure. Work. 1 million views on YouTube. You know what I mean? Yeah. 1 million views.
Just cut some wedges.
1 million views.
Drive up in them boards there with my drill them after my drill them get the screws and just
boom shot.
The wedge, board wedge better. No, just so you know, the other knows some kind of analogs here with
Yeah, you're not the worst. You're not the worst. No, you're not the worst. You're not the worst. Although you may not be the worst on the bench.
Alright, but on double tap lever, this is the right board which I use for them plug there. The Mohawk where termite not eat. I don't know what is this board? What is with this board that termite do not mess with it? Oh, it pies in them. Oh. Yeah, well, it's the best board, so.
Anything that you want, baby girl, I give you diamond, rubies and pearl. I'll fly you up in the sky, yes, and get you a bird. Give you a son, yes, and get me a girl. Get you a nice resident. May not be the worst or the best I could find, but there is one thing for sure, you were always around. I could go around the town and then come back around, and you could always be found, though you never let me down. Things are manifest now from the grassroots. No, me really got to tell you the truth. Never really know say that you look so cute. I mean, never was so much in love with you, but you forced me, baby girl, for you accept the truth. Keep a tight schedule, no you no lose. When me check it out, wise you no fool. And me get to realize you're the best package. No, you may not be the worst, best I could find. No, you know not be the worst. All the best I could find, and you're always around. You were on my mind all the time, all the time, all the time, all the time. You were always around. Although you may not be the worst, all the best I could find, but there was one thing for sure, you were always around. I could go around the town. Things are manifest now from the grassroots. No, me really got to tell you the truth. Never really know say that you look so cute, but me have to face the fact, baby girl, you're the truth. Oh, somebody done. Da 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 Baby, yeah, I got all you need. Here is all of that, all of that, all about you, all of that, got it right here. all of that you've been missing. Come get it, it's yours, girl. Here is all of that you've been needing. Come get it, it's yours, girl. Here is all of that you've been loving. Come get it, it's yours, girl. Here is all of that you've been wanting. Come get it, it's yours. The vacation to the places, the romancing, it's yours. All the hugging and the kissing and the loving is yours. The big house up on the acres and the farming is yours. The wedding dress and necklace and the diamond ring is yours. Easy does it, no worry yourself, no disappointment. Stress you out, no headache, no on break. You picked me up when I was down and that no easy. Best woman I ever known and they are the real deal. All of that, all of that, all about you. All of that, all of that, oh my lady. Here is all of that, all of that, all of that. All the drugs and all the guns, me push it aside. The nightlife, the other woman, me push it aside. The gambling and the flossing, me push aside. I coulda one, me did that, do me push you aside. When you're pregnant with me, me go can't hide. And when you come for me, I rude, a parasite. All about you. Ow. Ow, ow. It's in my vibes. I feel so fine. You know what I mean? Ow. Ow, ow. I feel so fine. All the time. Come with me. I'll show you something you never see. You won't forget. Peace and happiness. I'll give you rest. So travel light. Travel light. A stimulus mind. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for that? Wet or cold, hot or dry? Ow, ow. Come with me. I'll show you something you never see. Won't forget. Ow, ow, ow. I feel so fine all the time. Jai is on my mind all the time. Make this house a house of praise all the time. I'm a creator, man. I create things. I build from the ground up. That is my inspiration. Ow, ow, ow. Hey, yo, you may not understand what I'm saying, but I'll be your inspiration. Ow, come with me. I'll show you something you never see. You won't forget. Ow, ow. It feels so fine. Sit down for a little while. Rest your heart, change your mind. Yay! Issues of my heart. Out goes the issues of my heart. In comes the stuff on right stuff. Out goes the fire of my heart. In comes knowledge we cool it. My heart is indicted in a good matter. I speak of the things that Rastafari utter. My tongue is a pen of a ready writer. A skeptic of truth, so don't you ever bother. Yes, in the Jah kingdom all the people prosper. And New Jerusalem will last forever. How beautiful is the Queen's daughter. All of my clothing smell of aloe and myrrh. Out goes the issues of my heart. In comes just a foreign star. Out goes the fire of my heart. In comes knowledge for cool it. Not everybody them a hold no order. Them living loose like a flounder wonder. But this ya youth me have to hold a order and meditate upon the righteous. Out goes the issues of my heart. In come knowledge we cool it off. Out goes the fire of my heart. In comes Rastafari star. Out goes the issues of my heart. Ow, 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 ow. Whoa, 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 yeah. Whoa, 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 yeah. I am thinking of whatever you is thinking of, whatever you is thinking of, and that me I think of love. I am thinking of whatever you is thinking of, whatever you is thinking of, and that me I think of love, baby. Say that love, baby, my baby, my sweet sexy lady. Let's get away from the lies on the street.
I could think that way today.
We could lay from the beach.
I don't know. Wow.
Down into a nice hotel suite. Something from the rock, baby, come cup your feet. Listen, like we are gonna listen. Radical on the grass on Coral Street. Benz and Beamer with the Lexus G. Thinking of whatever you is thinking of, whatever you is thinking of, and that me I think of love. I am thinking of whatever you is thinking of, whatever you is thinking of, and that me I think of love, baby. Say down low, baby, baby, my sexy lady. You know you love it don't drive me crazy. You got to be my one and my only, my sweet and my sexy cherry baby. Woman, the way you move that body just amaze me. So just move that body for my baby. And with the rasta you show you me no lazy. Irish mash and peanut punch and make me crazy. Marijuana and group tonic make me blazy. My lady. I am thinking of whatever you is thinking of, whatever you is thinking of, and that me I think of. I am thinking of whatever you is thinking of, whatever you is thinking of, and that me I think of love, baby. Say down low, baby, my sexy lady, a lady. Come make we get away from the lies on the street. Go to Ocean so we could lay on the beach. We got a little money, well living will be sweet. We will settle down into a nice hotel suite. Champagne for the rocks, baby, come cup your feet. This is the life we gonna live this week. Mrs. Radical and Ross and Coral Street. Benz and Beamer with the Lexus Jeep. Oh my baby, my sexy lady, my baby, oh my lady, love my baby, my sexy lady. Let's get away from the lies on the streets. Go to the
Okay, my people, that is very fine. All these extra space, I will get things and material, black it up and fit it out, these place. And then here, so that's a done deal. Yeah, my people, alright then, that's it, you know. It needs some minor adjustment. But we can leave it for now. When we're ready to finish clear it off, finish. See, because just step by step, you know, stage by stage, you know. Understand me? We're doing it. We're not procrastinating, we're not try, like do it. It might not be completely done in a one go. And if we have to come forward and redo some things and fix some things, that will it be. See, but we have to get the work done. Blessed the all the personal thank God them again for everything. See, yeah, alright, hold on there. Forward out there, son. Joe. Yeah, man. Let me see if I say no. Well, yeah, man, I want to personally thank the item on a real base. Every one of the item. You know, me no need to, you know, we're dying for start open the live chat. So we can start chat to some of the people, some of the wise men them. See, stay in a balance, you know. Art of love. Glad for the support and glad thanks for the strength. Seeing on a real base, on a upfulness. You've been watching one man in Jamaica, Daniel Marshall, building his house by himself. One man and his dog. See, remember where we're coming from with even this room, man, on a real base up until yourself. So where the most you know. I look place where the light can see me. Oh, bird. See there in the gas in my face now. Maybe me take, oh, see there?